Hey folks, welcome back to DIY Nat. I have a new little gadget for you. This is the Neiko screw depth setter, and what this has on it is there is a sleeve on here which you can rotate and adjust the depth of how far it sets the screw into whatever you're doing. So this is good for you doing drywall. If you do not have a drywall screw gun, this will accomplish exactly the same thing. So you can adjust this collar on here so that it will set the screw in just below the surface, so that when you put your joint compound over the top of it, it disappears. So in lieu of spending a couple $100 on a drywall screw gun, this was, I think it was about $12, and it does adjust. And there's a, adjust the barrel here, and then there is a locking ring on the back to set it where you want it. So that will be as a pretty handy little tool to have in your box. And in order to get out the bit out, you screw it all the way in, and then you can pull it out. Actually, the magnet in here is so strong that you really need a pair of pliers to get that bit out of there. Let me see if I can demonstrate the magnet effect here. You can see it's lifting that pair of pliers right off the table there. So it'll hold the screw on there quite strongly, but you do have to get a pair of pliers to grab a hold of the bit and pull it out, because it's in there so strongly. But obviously you can also use it for to hold a regular driver bit. It'll go right down in there, and it's in there good and solid. So useful for that as well. But basically it's there for doing drywall work or other kind of work where you have to set the screw at a particular depth. So thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.